Hi, Karen from Karen Co Creative here. If you're new to me in the channel, we do both done for you and DIY websites and everything you need to run your business online, particularly for one-on-one service providers and creatives. So today I have a very quick tutorial about the Divi theme, and this is showing you a feature if you are creating a website from scratch or trying to duplicate features on a second page, or otherwise trying to create consistency with the look of your site. Divi has a very easy feature that enables you to duplicate and save things as a template. So I'm gonna take you over my shoulder, show you. This is a site that I'm building out right now for a client. And right now you can see I started with a layout. So it has sort of like buttons like this feature, which I quite like. The colors are the brand colors for the business that we're starting. So if I want to go ahead and add a button here, if I select this, it's going to be this default, not so pretty button, right? But instead, what I can do is I can go ahead and you can duplicate this button and drag it. And now I have a stylized button I can change. What happens if this section isn't on the page? If that section isn't on the page, I don't have a button here I can do that easily with. This button's here, but it's part of the form. So how do I go ahead and grab that? Well, the easiest thing to do is to exit out of that page and go to wherever you have the button or element that you already like and want to use again. So I know those buttons are on the home page. If I come here, enable the visual builder, give it a minute. I can easily hover here and I can save this module to the library. So if I want to give it a name, I already actually did this. So I could type in branded button and hit save to library. Since I've already done that, I'm not going to, but you, for the new thing, would hit save to library. You can also do this if you like an entire feature. So if I like this thing, I can save this section to the library. I'm gonna go ahead and exit the visual builder, come back to my about page. And now when I want to add the button and make sure it's the nice branded button, I'm going to go to the library instead of selecting a button from somewhere else. So here, if I go to add a new button, so this is the button that's not styled. If I go add from library, I have the branded button. I'll use that. Now I have this, I just need to edit the text and the link. You can do this for any of the items. If you have something like this, you'll see it's green. If I want to add this onto every single page, if I save it as a global, sorry, why am I? There we go. So actually, let's save this. I want to save this row, and I want these people to be the same everywhere they appear. So if I'm like, these are the part of my staff, if I have them on a few different pages, the staff's going to be the same on every single page. So if I save this, if you make it global, save as global, that will mean that anytime this is changed on one page, it will change in all the other pages. It's a really neat sort of way to sort of make changes consistent and sections consistent across the site. But as far as this video is concerned, being able to simply duplicate an item or save it in your template library and be able to reuse it makes things a lot easier so that you can always use the same style and the same branding across your site. So this is just a quick video showing you this Divi feature. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please be sure to like the video, and you can always subscribe for future tutorials. Thank you.